The 2016 Jaguar F-Type British Design Edition. Unveiled in 2012 as a convertible and in 2013 as a coupe, the Jaguar F-Type gained global recognition as a great contemporary British design and as the company's most exciting product in decades. Marketed as a spiritual successor to the iconic E-Type, even though it actually replaced the larger XK in the lineup, the F-Type has quickly developed into a sports car with a cult following. As a result, Jaguar updated the two-door for nearly each model year, adding not only AWD and a manual transmission, but several special edition models as well. With the 2016 calendar year having just begun, the F-Type received yet another individual package, this time around called the British Design Edition. Based on the F-Type S, the special edition sports car is available in both coupe and convertible guises. Power comes exclusively from the supercharged 3.0-liter V6, which means there's no 5.0-liter V8 option for those in need of more oomph, but the package comes with plenty of updates inside and out, many of which are unique to this model. The British Design Edition also marks the introduction of a new color for the F-Type, Ultra Blue, which will eventually become available for the standard version as well. More good news comes from the fact that the British Design Edition will cross the pond to North America. That's a bit surprising as most of Jaguar's special edition models are sold only in the United Kingdom. Keep reading to find out what makes it special. Continue reading to learn more about the Jaguar F-Type British Design Edition. What makes the Jaguar F-Type British Design Edition special? On the outside, the British Design Edition comes standard with the Sport Design Pack. An option on the regular F-Type S model, the bundle adds a gloss black front splitter, body-colored side sill extensions, and body-colored rear venturi. A fixed rear spoiler is also available for the coupe. While the Sport Design Pack doesn't make this special edition unique, the wheels do. Both the coupe and convertible ride on 20-inch Cyclone wheels, which are finished in satin dark gray. The rollers are larger than those offered on the standard F-Type S, while the finish is exclusive to the British Design Edition. Customers that want to customize the model further can opt for British Design Edition center caps. Like any special edition model, the British Design Edition also comes with special badging. The package adds new emblems to the front grille and tailgate, as well as monochrome, Union Jack detailing in place of the red and green of the S roundel. Finally, customers can pick between 4 exterior colors: Caldera Red, Glacier White, Ultimate Black, and Ultra Blue. The latter is new to the F-Type range. The cabin also received plenty of new features, starting with the premium jet leather with contrasting stitching in either red, ivory or Rance blue. The British Design Edition embossing on the headrests is another hint that this is not a regular F-Type. Jaguar also replaced the aluminum trim of the F-Type S center console with carbon fiber, done with British Design Edition branding and a satin finish. The door sills are also unique, sporting monochrome Union Jack detailing and Design Edition lettering. More updates over the standard F-Type S are available in the tech department. The model comes with a 380-watt Meridian sound system with 10 speakers as standard, which can be upgraded with the optional 770-watt unit with 12 speakers. Under the hood, the British Design Edition packs the same supercharged 3.0-liter V6 of the F-Type S, which cranks out 375 horsepower, 380 PS, and 339 pound-feet, 460 Newton-meters of twist. Depending on transmission, drive, and body style, it can hit 60 miles per hour from a standing start between 4.8 and 5.4 seconds. Although the drivetrain remains unchanged, the British Design Edition benefits from Jaguar's updated Super Performance brake system with either red or black calipers. Pricing for this special edition model starts from $92,100 in the United States. That's a $14,800 premium over the standard F-Type S. Deliveries will begin in spring 2016. Jaguar F-Type. Read our full review on the Jaguar F-Type here.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.